Good evening, everyone. We are from Group 6, English 1, Mercu Buana University. Today, we are so excited because we want to present to you about one of the exotic country in Peninsula Bay. It is called United Arab Emirates. Before we start, I will introduce to you my super team. Start from me, I am Angga Serviam, and then
my name is Ernanda Rifanka.
I am Argla Septiani Rahman.
I am Wahyu Gita Tria.
I'm Dian Maharani.
Okay, no need to wait too long. We will start the presentation now. We hope you enjoy.
This is the story of the United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates consists of 7 emirates and was founded on December 1971 as a federation. 6 of the 7 emirates, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al-Quwain, and Fujairah, combined on that set. The 7 Ras Al Khaimah joined the federation on 10 February 1972. Today, the United Arab Emirates is a modern exporting country with a highly diversified economy, with Dubai in particular developing into a global city and a hub for tourism, retail, and finance, home to the world's tallest building and largest man-made seaport. Next, geography of United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates is located in the southwest of Asia and is surrounded by the Gulf of Oman and the Persian Gulf between Oman and Saudi Arabia. Climate. The United Arab Emirates has a desert climate with very mild winters and very hot and sunny summer, in which the humidity of the Persian Gulf makes the heat unbearable.
And the politics of the United Arab Emirates is a federal constitutional monarchy made up from a federation of 7 hereditary tribal monarchy-style political system called Sheikdoms. The federal government is composed of 3 branches: legislative, a unicameral federal Supreme Council, and the advisory Federal National Council, or FNC. Executive is the president, who is also commander-in-chief of the military, the prime minister, and the council of ministers. Judicial, the Supreme Court, and lower federal courts. The law in the UAE has a federal court system. There are 3 main branches within the court structure, like civil, criminal, and Sharia law. The UAE's judicial system is derived from the civil law system and Sharia law. For corporal and capital punishment, flogging is a punishment for criminal offenses such as adultery, premarital sex, and alcohol consumption. Sharia courts and family law have exclusive jurisdiction over family law cases and also have jurisdiction over several criminal cases including adultery, premarital sex, robbery, alcohol consumption, and related crimes. The Sharia-based personal status law regulates matters such as marriage, divorce, and child custody. The Islamic personal status law is applied to Muslim and sometimes non-Muslim. Non-Muslims, like expatriates, can be liable to Sharia rulings on marriage, divorce, and child custody. The economy of the UAE has the 2nd largest economy in the Arab world. and of course after Saudi Arabia, with a gross domestic product or GDP of 415 billion US dollars in year 2018. A third of the GDP is from oil revenues. Abu Dhabi's Economic Vision 2030 and Dubai's Strategic Plan 2015 are leading the drive towards diversification. Tourism has played a large part in the success of economic diversification. Abu Dhabi's 156 hotels recorded their best year ever in terms of visitor numbers in 2018. The UAE's two world-class airlines like Etihad and Emirates, as well as constant upgrading of aviation infrastructure, have played a major role in the advance of the tourism industry and are key contributors to the economy.
For the people in UAE, the Emirates of Emirate people are the native population and citizens of the United Arab Emirates. The largest concentration is the UAE, where there are about 1 million Emirates. Formerly known as the Crucial State of the Crucial Oman, the UAE is made up of 7 Emirates, each of which had a dominant or ruling family. For the cuisine, traditional, the people of the UAE, who are known as the Emirates, have had their staple food as rice, meat, and seafood. Seafood is mostly fish, while mutton and lamb are the more common meats. Cultural Emirate food include kebab bread, lugaimat, a famous dessert, makbobs, and few other. Just like most of the other countries in the world, Western culture has played a part in shaping the cuisine of the UAE. For example, fast food are now more common than in previous time. Sport in the UAE, a number of sports are also present in the UAE. Formula One racing has particularly gained popularity, with most of the events happening at the Yas Marina circuit. The circuit is popular as it is the first one to hold a Formula One race that started during the day and ended at night. Other sports include camel racing, endurance riding, golf, football, cricket, and many more. Some of the more popular football teams include Shahab Al Ahli Dubai, Al Nasser, SC Al Sharjah, and others. Presently, the country has been confirmed as the host of the 2019 IFC Asian Cup. The cricket team is extremely popular and has a number of honors, including qualification for the 1996 Cricket World Cup of the 2015 Cricket World Cup. Culture in the UAE began as simple pearling village, but has evolved into one of the most multicultural societies in the world. The population is predominantly Islamic, and therefore many laws are respected. Emirates women wear a fully body abaya according to Islamic practice. Pork is not common, and in Sharjah, alcohol is prohibited nevertheless. In the most part of the UAE, tourists will find a liberal stance on Islamic culture. Alcohol can be purchased in the licensed venue, mostly inside hotel. But outside of this, a permit must be obtained in advance. A strict dress code is also observed and wearing anything public is frowned upon.
Weather. The United Arab Emirates has a desert climate characterized by pleasantly mild winter and sunny summer with the humidity of the Persian Gulf that makes the heat unbearable. Annual precipitation is almost everywhere below 100 millimeters or 4 inch and is concentrated in the winter months. The rains are rare, but they occur in the form of the shower or downpour, which can sometimes be intense. In the northeast, in the Al Hajar Mountains, which is buried in the coast of the Persian Gulf, from that of the Gulf of Oman, the climate is still desert. Also, in the winter months, it rains a bit more often than it does at sea level. Temperatures do not drop by much compared with the plain, except in the areas above 1,000 meters or 3,300 feet, where it can get cold in the winter, while in summer the heat is more bearable. The south of the, the south of the century. In the Emirates of Abu Dhabi and occupied by the vast sand desert called Rub al Khali, and is almost uninhabited except in the oasis, stuck at that of Liwa and the near oil and the gas extraction facilities. Here, and the climate is similar to that of the coast, and even hotter in the summer, but the air is dry because of the greater distance from the sea. Destination: the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa is one of United Arab Emirates' most famous buildings and the soaring sky-high landmark of Dubai. Not only is the world's tallest building, it also like claim to the titles of tallest freestanding structure in the world, highest observation deck in the world, and elevator with the longest travel distance in the world. A trip up to the observation deck with a panoramic view across Dubai is a sightseeing highlight for the most tourists who visit. So the those who suffer from vertigo, it might be best to give it a miss. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. The, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is a mammoth modern mosque of the incredible beauty, harnessing contemporary design and ancient craftsmanship. The mosque harmoniously blend modern and the ancient style and techniques to create a new interpretation of Islamic architecture. A visit here, a mosque on any Abu Dhabi itinerary, with its interiors using lavish amount of the gold, mosaic tiles, and the glasswork, and immense amount of the marbles, and its exterior of the blindingly wet sun contrasts dramatically under the Emirates' blue sky. It never felt so dazzling. The Hajar Mountains. The Hajar Mountains shine through the desert, creating the jagged and well the heart of the United Arab Emirates, twisting roller coaster roads with a spectacular spinner along the way connect the region tiny village, making this region road trip heaven. Nature lover, nature lover, nature lover will find plenty of hiking, trekking, and bird watching. Upon tradition will the best among of the picture, while this dry riverbed valley in the area are also fun to explore. Dubai Creek. The Burj Khalifa may give you that famous skyline view from up high, but the most iconic Dubai view are still taken from the water. Dubai Creek splash through the city, and the best way to expression Dubai is from one the beautiful down traditional Arabic boat that ply the creek. Sunset cruises, which often come with the experiment as dinner, are particularly beautiful as you watch the light of the high-rise begin to twinkle in the dark, or for a budget cruise, just hop of one of the Abel's local ferries, which ply the water between Bur, Dubai, and Deira.
Tips in UAE language. English, the main language, is understood throughout the United Arab Emirates, but Arabic is the official language. Currency. The currency of the UAE is the United Arab Emirates dirham, sometimes called Emirati dirham. 1 USD is equivalent to 3.67 EAD. Time. The UAE falls within the Persian Gulf Standard Time, which is 4 hours ahead of Coordinate Universal Time, or UTC plus 4. Communication. The international dialing code for the UAE is +971. Unlike Indonesia, GSM technology is used for cellular telephone network in the country. Safety. If you are a solo female traveler, be mindful of how you are or dress in public to prevent breaking local rules. Accommodation. For accommodation, you don't need to be confused because in Dubai, you can choose an affordable hotel with a location in the city center. Use local transportation. Do's and don'ts. Use local transportation. Use transportation give visitor the opportunity to enjoy the atmosphere in popular place of Dubai. How to dress. Dubai's handwriting rules are all about dress. Avoid clothes that show off the genitals. Owning or driving a dirty car is prohibited. The United Arab Emirates government prohibits its citizens from owning or driving dirty cars, as this can damage the city image and public health. Drunk or abusive illness. While you might be spending time at the airport only, it is best not to drink alcoholic beverage like beer in public. Prohibition on asking for donation. In the United Arab Emirates, socializing donation and raising funds is prohibited. Prohibited to take photos carelessly. In the United Arab Emirates, not all places are free for you to take photo. Therefore, before taking a photo, it is better for you to find out in advance whether you can take picture in that place or not. Smoke. Smoking is not really prohibited in Dubai, only in certain area. Some business centers have designated smoking area.
Okay, that is the presentation from us, Group 6. Hopefully, this presentation can be an additional insight for you about the United Arab Emirates, or it can be simply used as a guide if you want to take some vacation there. We apologize if there is some mistakes that we are not aware of. And at last, we thank to you for staying with us. We'll see you again at the next meeting. Goodbye.